That's an old tree. When was the last time, you know, we walk past trees all the time. When we were younger, my generation anyway, we would climb trees and have fun climbing a tree. Nowadays you just walk past trees. But when was the last time, I'm not going to say hug a tree, you just put your hands on a tree, just to feel the textures, just to connect. Because when you touch a tree, you're connecting with nature. I mean, this is thousands of years old, hundreds, thousands. It's just sat here in this nice little spot over